Designed by our Artens team, the trench rail is an exclusive design which blends perfectly into contemporary interiors. Before starting, grab your toolbox and check you have everything you need. Check that your wall and floor are level. Measure your opening and find your case in the manual. Choose a compatible door. It must close fully, weigh up to 40 kg, be no wider than 93 cm, and between 30 and 40 mm thick. The diagram shows the extra 8 to add to your door. Here, it's 5.3 cm. Mark this 8 above your opening. Then, mark the offset L for the first fixing point. The rail has 5 fixing points, each spaced 40.6 cm apart. From your first mark, measure 40.6 cm, check with a level. Then repeat until you have 5 marks. Drill and insert the anchors. Prepare the fixing parts. Screw them in, leaving 15 mm between the fixing parts and the wall. Repeat for all fixing points. Now, position the rail and secure each point. Then, prepare your door. Mark the center of the door brackets. Measure 10 cm from each edge of the door and mark it. Align the brackets with your marks. Mark the screw holes. Drill into the door and attach the brackets. Next, measure and mark 18 cm from each edge of the door. Then, mark the center of the door thickness. Prepare the interlift system by inserting the screw into its slot. Pay attention to its position. The bottom of the piece must align perfectly with your center line. Screw it into place. Repeat on the other side. Hang the door on the rail. Check the vertical alignment of your door. Position the guide where recommended. Mark the holes, drill, insert plugs, and screw it down. If you have underfloor heating, glue it instead. Slide the door into the guide and close it. Now, let's adjust the stoppers. First, unscrew the stoppers. Then, put the door in the closed position. Move the stopper so it aligns with the roller. Then tighten. Repeat for the open position. Finally, test your door.